Hello, my friend. Are your shoulders slumping like they have given up on life? Is your back sagging like it has a love affair with gravity? If you have sway back, you are not alone. Our friend Jonathan has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how confident you will feel when you are back in shape. Let's get started. Both hands in a fixed position and stretch back. 1. If you are bending back enough, you will feel tension in your lower back. 4, 5, to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the right. 1, 2. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 5, clockwise direction. 1, 2. As you rotate, please make a large circular motion. 5, anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring both hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time as you bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate both arms back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are rotating back enough, you will feel the tension in your shoulders. 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands on the side of your head and to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.